Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video I will show how to edit Capcut dark glossy tutorial. Let's begin. Tap new project and select your clip. Tap filters and select humble. Again tap filters and select play. Tap adjust and follow all my settings. Brightness -11, contrast 11, saturation -7, brilliance 15, sharpen 95, highlights 17, shadow 12, temp 37. Tap effects and select video effects. Click lens and select edge glow effect. Again video effects and search vignette. Again video effects, tap retro and select noise too. Thanks for watching.